many questions I get asked is, how do I start flipping houses in Simcoe County? Well, in this video, I'll be going over a comprehensive guide to flipping houses from finding the right property to selling it for a profit. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha, real estate agent at eXp Realty in Simcoe County, Ontario, and today we're diving deep into the process of flipping houses. If you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in homes in Simcoe County, I'm here to help. Reach out anytime. Call, text, email, and DM me on your favorite social media, or simply drop any questions you have in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that notification button, like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's jump right into today's video. Step 1. Research the market. Understanding the real estate market in Simcoe County is crucial. Focus on neighborhoods showing signs of growth like increased commercial development or improved infrastructure. For example, areas around Barrie have seen significant growth due to their proximity to Toronto and affordable housing options. Analyze market data such as average home prices and time on the market to identify promising locations. Tools like the MLS system, real estate websites, and local market reports are invaluable for this research. Step 2. Financing your flip. Securing the right financing can make or break your house flipping project. Options vary widely from traditional bank loans, which might require a significant down payment and have strict criteria, to hard money loans that offer quick approval but at higher interest rate. Another strategy could be partnering with investors who bring capital in exchange for a share of the profits. Consider the cost of renovations when planning your financing to ensure you have enough funds to cover unexpected expenses. Step 3. Finding the right property. The key to a successful flip is purchasing the right property at the right price. Look for distressed sales, foreclosures, or properties that have been on the market for a long time. These often represent opportunities to buy below market value. For instance, a home in Aurelia that needs minor updates could be purchased below market price, renovated, and sold for a substantial profit. Networking with local agents, attending real estate auctions, and subscribing to property alert services can help you find these deals. Step 4. Renovation planning. Effective renovation planning is about maximizing value while controlling costs. Start with a thorough inspection to identify structural issues, outdated electrical systems, or plumbing problems that could be costly to repair. Then focus on renovations that offer the best return on investment, such as updating kitchens and bathrooms, improving the home's exterior appeal, and adding living space. Creating a detailed project plan with timelines and budgets and sticking to it is vital for success. Step 5. Execute the renovations. Managing the renovation process requires attention to detail and strong communication skills. Whether you're doing some of the work yourself or hiring contractors, maintaining a schedule and a budget is crucial. Regular site visits can help identify issues early, and keeping a contingency fund can address unexpected problems. Documenting the renovation process with photos and receipts is also helpful for future buyers and for your own records. Step 6. Staging and selling. Once renovations are completed, staging the home can significantly impact its appeal to potential buyers. Professional staging can transform the space, making it feel larger, brighter, and more inviting. Marketing the property effectively is also crucial. Use high-quality photos and virtual tours in your online listings, and consider hosting open houses to attract buyers. Pricing the property correctly is a delicate balance between making a profit and ensuring a quick sale. Flipping houses in Simcoe County can be a highly rewarding venture, but it requires careful planning, market knowledge, and a bit of hard work. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of success and potentially turn a significant profit. Remember, I'm here to assist you every step of the way, from finding the perfect property to closing the sale. If you're ready to take on the challenge of flipping houses, or if you have any questions about the real estate market in Simcoe County, Ontario, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more insights on real estate investing and to stay updated on the latest trends in Simcoe County, make sure to hit that notification bell, like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me, and we'll see you in the next video.